And what's up, everybody? It's DJ Gumby, and I'm here with a product review slash overview for you. Today, we're in my backyard, as you can see. Why? It's because it's time to look at a wireless microphone. We got a very, very, very affordable wireless mic that we're going to take a look at it. Let's do it. All right, next up, in all audio equipment, you know we need some power. So put some batteries into the microphone, good to go. 2 AA's will get you going. Then I put some batteries into the receiver. 2 AA's will get you going on this. That's a little bit of a downer. I always like things that just have matching batteries because that's one less thing you have to worry about, but you know, whatever. As you notice on the receiver, you have a little antenna to get you a little bit more coverage if needed, I guess. And then you have one switch right here, on off. And of course you have that male in, which is going to give you signal to your device, speaker, mixer, what have you. So I'm going to turn this on right now. You notice that it turns green. In our situation with this and this, green is bad. We want red. So as soon as we turn on this one, which I just did, I think, there we go. As soon as you turn on this one, that will turn red. It looks orange on the screen, but it is red. Red means good when it comes to this. Once you turn this on, a little screen will come up. It's just a normal sunny day out here in my backyard, and I'm in a shaded area. And you can barely see the screen on this. I'm sure it's better in a normal event situation where, you know, it's not like super bright outside, but that's the first thing I noticed up front. If you cup it a little bit and you look in there, you can get a really good view of the readout, but that's the only complaint I have so far. So now we know they're linked and they're together. Let's give it a try. I have my little battery powered Ion Explorer. These are like the wireless speakers you can pick up at the at places like Costco, Sam's Club. But we're going to use this because it's real simple and it's easy, and I feel like it's a pretty common application for a lot of people that might be interested in this microphone at this price point. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave the antenna part where it is, and if we need it, we'll go for it. But let's see what we get right out the box, per se. Good to go here, all connected. Let's give it a go round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mic check. Checking the microphone here. Yes, sir. We got a little volume going. I'm gonna adjust the volume. I'm gonna adjust my main volume because I feel like the gain on the microphone is okay where it is. So let's see what we got. Checking microphone here. Oh yeah. Test 1, 2, 3. Very good. Again, keep in mind I'm right next to the receiver, so let's see what happens when we walk away. Now we're in the lawn area. We're gonna start at 10 feet, 20, 30, 40, and so on and so forth, and see how far we can go. My backyard is about 95, 96 feet. Yes, be jealous. It's pretty big. So this will be a great test. In the actual documents, they say that you should get about 60 feet out of this wireless microphone, but we'll see what happens here. Let's put it to the test. Let's get it. Here's the most practical and simple test we can do. I'm speaking now, and I'm gonna keep speaking until no more. So here, we're starting at quote-unquote 10 feet. Speaking into the microphone. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll be doing more products. We're currently on lockdown here where I live because we're dealing with the coronavirus. Hopefully you can still hear me talking. This is, I should have stopped. This is 60 feet. As I do my and then this right here will be the full 94-ish, 96-ish feet away from the receiver. I'll walk around the house for fun. Let's go this way. Talking. You can probably hear me breathing heavy because my allergies are not good right now. Talking into the mic. Yep. More. Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, sir. Okay, all right. All the way out of sight. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna I'll take the microphone into the house. That way we get an idea of what happens when we put structures in between. So now I'm in the house. Walls and metal and wood in between. Just for fun. Let's go upstairs. See if you guys can hear this. Now I'm upstairs in my office. Thoughts overall. This is a good buy. Check the prices. I'll post a link in my video description. This is a great buy, especially for family karaoke night, or if you're doing this as a profession. This is a great, here you go, do what you want with it mic, especially for people that you think are going to do a mic drop. It won't break the bank. It's not going to make you mad. The only thing I would buy is some sort of adapter to get you from that male end on the receiver to your mixer, because that's a little bit of a weird deal to plug in. But I like it. If you want more information, I'll put the website in there. And again, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Pick it up. This is a good one.